Good evening. Today, after class, I went, I went, I went looking for a job, and I searched, I searched in, I searched in the whole supermarket inside, and yeah, when I was looking, all of all of their jobs are full time, and there are no part time jobs, and when I kept looking outside, when I'm done, when I'm done inside the supermarket, when I when I go outside, then I found I found maybe I found a not job. I did not found a job. I I found a restaurant. The but I don't have a resume, and the manager asked for resume, but I don't have a resume. And so now I did my resume. I'm sorry, my English is very bad. Hmm. All right. Now what am I going to talk about? Hmm. I think that's all that I kept you updated. Um. Hmm. All right. That's all. Thank you for listening. Listening for it's night. Look at this grass. It is brown. It's dry. Look at that dry. Look at that dry and look at that. Zoom in. Zoom in. Look at that. You can zoom. Whoa, you can zoom that far. It's shaking. My hands are shaking. Knees weeks are heavy. Knees weeks are heavy. Palms are sweaty. Mom spaghetti. Oh, there's a rat. I saw a rat crawling. Let's see how far this magnifier go. It only magnified that far. Right. That's all. Thanks for listening. Now, do I have a viewer? Do I have a viewers? I think not. I think so. Maybe. I thank you if you are viewing this far. If you are watching this far, thank you very much. All right. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, mate. All right. This is the continuation the previous video. Now is Tuesday. After class, when I went looking for a job. All right, I have a story. When I went looking for a job, there was a stall. There was a stall along the rail. All of them are next to each other, and there was a girl calling me. Hey sir, sir. All right, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Sir, sir, baka gusto mo ng facial? Demo ko lang. Demo ko lang. Wala kang babayaran. Sige na sir, libre lang ito. Sabi ng babae. Tapos ako, nag-hesitate naman. Um, okay. Dahil wala mang mawawala sa akin, tapos wala naman akong babayaran. Okay. Sige na sir, ito. Okay. Tapos habang pinapahid niya meron siya pinapahid na cream. Yung cream na yun ay kulay white, tapos aloe vera. Yung aloe vera na yan, yung aloe vera na galing sa plant, tapos pinapaliwanag niya na kung anong oras ito pwede gamitin sa umaga at sa gabi daw. Bago ka maligo, bago ka maligo, bago ka maligo, sir, lagay mo muna ito sa mukha mo. Tapos i-ferment mo to ng 2 minutes on your face. Okay, every do this every morning and evening. Alright. Sabi niya, "Sir, meron ako, ito po ay 400 pesos." What? I was shocked. It's 400 pesos for that size of the size this size. Alright, this size of, what is that, pack? There's a bat. This size of, this shampoo, this size of shampoo, right? She said, "Sir, this is 400." Wow, really, it's 400. This makes man. Para hindi ko ma para hindi masaktan yung sa damdamin niya. Wow! Sabi ko, wow! Nag-smooth na yung mukha ko. Wow! Meron siya salamin na pinakita. Para makita ko yung mukha ko. Wow! Okay, I will buy this. Ay! Alright. Sir, bili ka na nito. Next time po. Tapos yung itsura niya na disappoint. Next time, tapos tinanong ko yung pangalan niya para hindi siya magdamdam. Okay, ang pangalan niya ay Jane. Yeah, Jane. Jane, yeah. Sabi ko, Jane. Sabi niya, Jane. Tapos sinabi ko rin yung pangalan ko. Tapos nung papababa na ako kasi merong escalator doon. May babae doon nag-abang. Sir, gusto mo mag-facial? Sir, gusto mo mag-facial? Libre lang to, wala kang babayaran. Okay, yan ang babae na to na nakatabi nasa escalator. Aggressive siya. Hinawakan niya rin kamay ko. Sir, dito ka, sir. Sir. Oh God, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Ayun na, hinawakan niya rin kamay. Oh my God. Hanggang papunta na dun. Sir, wag kang matakot, sir. Pasok ka dito. Hindi kita ikukulong. Alright. Kakatapos ko lang ng facial. Tapos magpa-facial ako na naman ako. Nung previous na babae, sabi ko pala, tama-tama yan. Mag-facial ako, maghanap ako ng trabaho. Tapos dito naman sa second girl na nasa escalator, sabi niya, sir, ay habang nagpahid na pala siya, nagpapahid na siya ng cream, katulad ng ginawa nung previous na babae. Tapos hawak ko yung salamin, wow! Tapos sabi ko, wow! Naging smooth na. Tapos pinahid niya rin yung cream dun sa forearm ko. Tapos, nakita ko pwede puputi. Kasi yung puti na yun parang puputi naman dahil sa hydration na tubig. Wow! Tapos yung brand nakalagay Magic. What? They're making products that don't even sure if it's working. May Magic na pangalan. Magic, forgot the next text. I forgot the next brand title ba yun? The next, it says Magic. Alright, next ay Magic. Yes, Magic. Wow, how much is this? Sabi niya, pinakita niya. Sir, this is 400. Ano? Ay, hindi. Yung previous girl pala, sabi niya 200. Dun sa unang babae. Pero dito sa second girl, yung pala yung 400. Sir, this is 400. Nakalagay dun. Meron collagen. Wow, may collagen, papaputi. Ngayon, nag-react na ako para makapakaramdam nyo napapakinggan siya. Tapos meron siya pinakita na napakaliit, ganito kaliit na cup. Yung cup na yun, 99 pesos. What? 99 pesos. Tapos pinahid, yung ganun karami, pinahid lang sa mukha ko. 99 pesos. Tapos di man ako bumili. Okay, next time po. Pinilit niya ako. Wala akong magagawa. Pinilit niya ako. Tapos, okay, next time. Tapos tinanong ko naman yung pangalan niya. Para kunyari napapakinggan ko siya. Ang pangalan niya ay, what? I forgot her name. I forgot the second names, girl. The girl's second name. The second girl's name. Tapos nagpakilala naman ako. Tapos ayun. Ganun din, katulad nung itsura. Disappoint. Lips, duck lips. Tapos frown. Oh, disappoint. Pinilit niya ako, wala naman na ako babayaran. Tapos nag-take ako para masaya. Tapos ayun, naghanap na ako ng trabaho dun sa ibang lugar. Yep. That's all. Thank you very much. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday 6:45 p.m. Bye bye. Good